So hydrogen electrode, standard hydrogen electrode. So what is standard hydrogen electrode? So దీన్ని మనం SHE అని కూడా అంటాం అనమాట. SHE అని కూడా అంటారు. సో ఏంటి అని కానీ చూస్తే దీన్ని SHE అంటాం, స్టాండర్డ్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్. సో స్టాండర్డ్ హైడ్రోజన్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ అబ్రివేటెడ్ టు SHE. దాన్ని మనం సింపుల్గా SHE అంటాం అనమాట. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఎ స్టాండర్డ్ ఎలక్ట్రోడ్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఈజ్ డిక్లేర్డ్ టు బి యాజ్ ఏ temperature of 298 Kelvin. So what is meant by 298 Kelvin? So 271 plus 27. So this is because of act as a reference electrode, and also it is compared with by only other electrodes. So that's why it is called as by only what? Standard hydrogen electrode. So the redox half of cell of standard hydrogen electrode is where the following reaction will take place. So what is the hydrogen electrode? The reaction will be involving. So 2H plus in aqueous solution, it absorbs the 2 electrons, it will be converted into only H2 hydrogen. So it is present in the state of by only gas phase. So this reaction will be given, the above generally is takes place by only in platinum electrode. So which electrode? Platinum electrode. So the pressure of hydrogen gas will be present in this half of cell is equal to 1 bar atmosphere. 1 bar atmosphere. So that is the only standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. So in then on. So what is the use of standard hydrogen electrode? So the standard hydrogen electrode, the standard hydrogen electrode use of, it is a made up of by only platinum. It is a platinum in the standard hydrogen electrode. So platinum is used for only standard hydrogen due to the some of the reasons. So platinum is relatively the internal metal which does not the corrode easily. So corrode means is not affected by other metals. So that is the corrode easily. So platinum has a only catalytic qualities which promote the proton reduction reaction. So why it can be used for only platinum electrode? Because of only the proton reduction reaction will be takes place by only in platinum electrode. So that's why we can use of only platinum. The surface of platinum can be the surface of platinum can be covered with only platinum black. At the same time, it is a fine powder of platinum. This type of platinum electrode is called as the only platinized platinum electrode. Platinized platinum electrode is by only called as, so it is made up of by only, it is a black in color, fine powder of platinum is this type of platinum electrode is called as only platinized platinum electrode. So then the platinum is also improve the reaction is kinetics by only absorbing hydrogen at the interface. So that is the use of platinum electrode. So then standard hydrogen electrode is what is the constructions will be involving only platinum hydrogen electrode. Platinum hydrogen electrode. The platinum hydrogen electrode. So how to construct it to the platinum electrode? So the part of made up of only platinum hydrogen electrode is some of the electrode. It is covered by only finely powdered platinum black. The platinum black is called as only platinized platinum electrode. So it is a hydrogen blow. A solution of acid will be having only H plus molarity of 1 mole per cubic decimeter. The standard hydrogen electrode is also containing the hydroxyl, so which is used for to prevent the interface of oxygen. So to prevent the interface of oxygen by usage of only hydroxyl. So the other half of cell of the entire galvanic cell must be attached to only standard hydrogen electrode through only reservoir in order to create an ionizingly conducted path. So this can be done through a direct connection with by only narrow tube. So even though the use of salt beads, so you can see the standard hydrogen electrode. So it is the standard hydrogen electrode. So because of only hydrogen gas is 1 atmosphere here, the hydrogen electrode will be only this one. So catalytic platinum surface will be there. So the wire and other half of the cell, salt bits of the half of the cell. So 1 mole of decimeter hydrogen aqueous solution. So it is the only standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode. So in the standard hydrogen electrode, so the connection will be there only this type only. The standard hydrogen electrode in this diagram. So a label diagram hydrogen electrode. The electrode is provided below. Standard hydrogen electrode illustrated to the salt bridge is used for only link of standard hydrogen electrode with the half of other cell. The half of other cell is called as only platinum electrode. So another half of cell will be only salt beads. So then only the complete cell will be formed. So that is only hydrogen electrode. So the platinized platinum surface has a very high absorption activity. So therefore, this surface must be protected from only atmospheric oxygen as well as the from of organic substances. So the substances such as only arsenic, sulfur compounds can be also deactivated or poison to the catalyst. So that's why you can usage of only what platinized platinum electrode because of only it is a high absorption activity to prevent the atmospheric oxygen as well as the organic substances. The substances such as the arsenic and sulfur compounds can be deactivated and piston the catalyst. So that is the main process of standard hydrogen electrode. So in this is the standard hydrogen electrode. So you can use as of only what the standard hydrogen electrode can be used for only platinum electrode. The number of because of only these electrodes can be used for only titrations, potentiometric titrations and the conductometric titrations. In these titrations, we can use as of only hydrogen electrode and at the same time platinum electrode. So one is the reference electrode and also standard hydrogen electrode will be there.